In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I'll show you how to set up a portable hotspot. So start out by pulling down the notification panel. It's extended, and if you don't see it right here, which I don't, try the next page. If it's also not here, then tap on the pencil icon. And it's right here, hotspot. So you can just hold it like so, and then kind of vibrate, and you can then drag it over to the panel that is actually usable. And then go back, and you should find it now right here. From here you can tap on it to enable it, and it will be then enabled however it's set by default, which the name should be basically the name of the device, but the password will be some kind of random one. So you can hold it as well to go into the settings of it, and you'll have right here set up Wi-Fi hotspot. When you tap on it, you see the password, and you can also check it to show password, and you can see it. You can also just simply change it to something else. So you could, for instance, make it much simpler, like so, and then tap on save, and now it re-enables, and it's enabled now. I could connect to the device with basically ASUS XOOTD, name of the network, with the password that we have set, which is basically from 1 to 8. And yeah, that's basically it. And you can simply now enable it from the notification panel just by tapping on it to enable or disable it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.